Hello everybody, this is Frankie Day for Frankie Day Models. Another carbon copy of yesterday, except more clouds, but it's nice and warm and beautiful and peaceful out here. Here before you, in my camera right here, is my Atlantic 2 Mediterranean tug, I guess. That's either that or it's a Northwest style tug. I'm quite sure this is probably, I think it's more or less a Mediterranean built tug more than anything, the way it's designed. I don't know. But all I know is it's a beautiful tug. It's reliable. This comes in as a complete RC package. These things retail around $300 and something. The Atlantic 1, which was its forerunner, which was the old black hull with a white superstructure, and it came with a lifeboat, life davit, and also a emergency life float canister that's on top of the deck. Right now we're gonna go out for a little sail right here in this thing and have a video here, and I'll have another video number 3 live in action with Frankie Day on the Denmark this evening, so stay posted for that. So right now guys, we're gonna go out for a sail in this thing and we'll see how it goes.
That thing's kind of cool.
Yeah, it is, buddy.
It looks like a little tugboat.
Yeah. I have fun with this thing all the time. I got a bunch more at the house.
Put the line to that and maybe catch a fish or two.
Oh, I have.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful day at the Metro Park, fellas. A real nice day today. There's a lot of folks out here that's out here, guys. They all seem to really enjoy being out in the park and everything. Such a peaceful day out here, guys. This is my place of refuge sometimes, especially in conditions of these viruses going around. This virus has really kept me pretty much being out here, keeps me away from the monotony and everything. And I enjoy being out in the fresh air. It seems like me, it's pretty safe out here. No one around except out there about 300 feet in front of me. There's people out there, as you can hear from this camera. Had a fellow walk by. I got a lot of people come out here once in a while. They kind of always constantly admiring my tugboats out here. They say, "You got another one, huh, Frank?" Yep. One guy said, "I bet you can catch some fish then." So yes, I have. Gotta excuse the jerk to this camera, guys. I got this thing straddled between my legs. I'm trying to control this boat, and a lot of stuff going on here. But I think you all get the picture, fellas. This is the boat yesterday I had a servo problem with. I went my radio control box, got me some brand new servos, pop a new servo in there, and it's ready to roll. Such a nice day at the park. There's very few folks out there. See that shed right there, fellas? That's my sailboat club I belong to. I got my sailboats locked up in that shed. I got 3 of them in there. And they're safe and sound. A lot of the boys from the Miami Sailing Club that I belong to have their sailboats stored in here. So you got to do is come to the pond, open up the combination of the gate, and pretty soon you know to the door, you get your boats out and go for a sail. Got a lot of folks out there, as you can see. A lot of people come out to this Metro Parks, guys. It's the only place where you can go to enjoy and have fun. This is their new tug they got. It's all red hull, minus lifeboats, davits, emergency float lockers, lifeboat. I think you did that intentionally so you can add on stuff of your own on here. You gotta see this thing at nighttime. Right up that pilot house, that big old searchlight. It's like a big beacon. Man, you can see that thing miles away. It got a lot of people stumped out here saying, "Hey, what that thing out of the water has lights on?" They couldn't leave a model boat and do that. It's almost like the real thing, guys. It's a beautiful day out here, nice and warm, overcast with clouds, but they're high clouds. No cumulus nimbus in sight. I see these young parents out there with kids, 2 or 3 years old out here, use all kinds of foul language in front of them. No wonder these kids nowadays are like they are. Why? That's what their parents learned from their mom and daddies. And their mom and daddies learned it from their grandparents. And the list just keeps going on, and the results are society today. That's them, folks. Right here, I'm here to enjoy a wonderful day today with my tugboat. I had fun with our day. Yesterday on last servo went out, it was stuck out there in the water. When it gets stuck out there, just kill your power, guys. I had no control of my boat. I had control of power, but no rudder yesterday. Then I had to kill the power and let it's called a waiting game. When you let the wind blow it to shore, so you go into it. Safer that way. It'll eventually, guys, get a good wind out here, it'll blow out here. And you'll get it, just have a little patience. Then go home and solve the problem. I troubleshooted the problem. I found out I had the servo was bad because it had water damage done to it because this thing took on water on a really windy day. You know, for $300, you can't beat it, guys. I mean, like I said yesterday in my video, live action on the Denmark, radio control 30, 40 years ago was very expensive. A lot of people shied away from it because of the price tag, but since the 90s, we've really been popping them out. At least China has. China makes good things, but they got a lot of cheap electronics in these things. So what you gotta do, the best thing you do is just scuttle the electronics in this kit and buy yourself some new ones, and it'll be good. But the thing about it is, guys, the point is, for $300, you should get your money's worth. I am getting my money's worth out of this thing. And it needs maintenance on it. Well, guys, I'll tell you one thing, this video is getting a 20-minute mark. I'm going to have to call it short and prepare for the live action video this evening. So I got that coming tonight. Thinking about going to the store, trying to go to the store and buy some steaks so I can grill a couple steaks out tonight in my grill. My brother's will come over and get his dog. I've been taking care of Sophie. She's a Australian cattle dog. And man, that dog was out here yesterday in the water. Boy, she was out there swimming across the pond out here. Bring up shore. There's Frankie Day's Wild Tugboat Ride. Alrighty then. This is Frankie Day Model, signing off for the outside sail of my tugboat, and I had a joyous day, guys. So I'll catch you on the video this evening. So stay posted for the live action Denmark #3 tonight. So you guys take care of yourselves, fellas, and stay safe and make mama happy. Take care of the little ones. If there's any parks out there nearby your neck of the woods, please enter and do so and enjoy yourself, guys. And please be careful out there. Everybody out here is quite distant from me, so I don't have to worry about catching up with anybody. So that'll be it right there. Okay, Frankie Day signing off. And thank you very much, guys, for tuning in on this video. Please excuse the jerkiness. Hands full of boat and camera. It's going to be jerky, so please excuse the jerkiness. See, I'm having a wonderful time. This is Frankie Day signing, Frankie Day Models. We'll catch you guys this evening, so stay posted. Be good, Bevels. I love you guys.